actually a flute in that song.
I think I was thrown off by the fact that Reginald's was not here playing for us.
Right.
We have our own flautist at 4:30.
Wait, I think so.
That's what it is, yes.
All right. Guess what? I have another weird song for thee.
Yay! Huzzah! That's my favorite kind, Tallulah.
Again, I have travelled all over the world, and this particular song comes from España.
Wait. Say that again.
España.
One more time. No, do it again because I really like it when you do.
España.
Where's that actually?
It's Spain.
Oh, it's Spain. Oh, I see.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's Spain.
Spain.
Either way, it's a really fun song, and I think you'll like it.
Songs.
And there's a prop involved. It's all right. I've got it.
All right.
All right. Play
Are you
me.
ready? Let's do this.
Play me in. Señor Don Gato was a cat.
Ba-bum.
A high red roof. Don Gato sat.
Ba-bum.
He was there to read a letter. Meow, meow, meow. Where the reading light was better. Meow, meow, meow. It was a love note for Don Gato. The door you wrote, the lady cat was fluffy white and nice and fat.
Okay.
There was not a prettier kitty, meow, 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 in the country or the city, meow, meow, meow. And she said she would. Don Gato jumped so happily, fell off the roof and broke his knee. Broke his bones and all his whiskers, meow, 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 and his little solar plexus, meow, meow, meow. Caramba, cried Don Gato. The doctors came out on the run, just to see if something could be done. There they held a consultation.
I concur.
To see if they could save their patient. They could save Senor Don Gato. In spite of everything they tried, poor Senor Don Gato up and died. Oh, it wasn't very merry. Meow, meow, meow. Going to the cemetery. Meow, meow, meow. For the end of Don Gato. The funeral past the market square. Such a smell of fish was in the air. And though his burial was slated, meow, 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 he became reanimated! Meow, meow, meow. Came back to life. Don Gato!